The purpose of this video is to introduce you to an online code editor that you may find very useful in this class. It's called JDoodle, and it can be found at JDoodle.com, and you will get this code editor opening page, and you will notice that it handles a number of different languages. It handles Java, which we will use in this class. It covers HTML and JavaScript, which is pretty handy. It covers both Python 2 and Python 3, and it also handles Ruby. So all three of the languages, there's Ruby right there. So all three of the languages that we will be using in this class can be taken care of with this JDoodle tool. I will open up the version for Python 3, which is what we'll be using for our very first assignment. When you do that, you get this editing window, and down here where you see the three dots right next to execute, if you click on that, you get a dialog here where you can save the program, save a program and give it a new name, or look at the projects that you've got out there already for this particular programming language. So I'm going to look at my projects, and I see that I have one called Hello. I'm going to open that project, and it's just a very simple project, but this is just to demonstrate. And then you click this blue execute, and it will run the project. And there you go. See, you ran the program. Hello world is the output. So it will do this for Python, for Java, and for Ruby. So I highly recommend that you have a look at this tool. I will probably use it frequently during the course of the class. And that will conclude this video.